To set double press hotkey as open Samsung Pass in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel and then tap settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find advanced features, and then tap advanced features, select side key, and then on double press tap open app settings icon, scroll down the screen, find Samsung Pass, and then tap Samsung Pass. Now when you double press hotkey, Samsung Pass will be open. Okay, let's try double press hotkey. Samsung Pass will be open. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.